How to add music to Lotus Lantern app. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can add music into Lotus Lantern application. But the very first thing you want to have to do or make sure is to go into Google Play Store or any app store that you use. So look for Lotus Lantern, and this is where you can double check if your Lotus Lantern app is updated to its latest version. If the update button is visible, just simply tap in it and it will automatically update by itself. So you will have this kind of feature. Now, if this is going to be the very first time opening up Lotus Lantern application, you just need to simply allow all permissions for the Lotus Lantern application to gain access into the drive that you have on your mobile device because you cannot import musics in here. Now simply choose on the music tab, and then all the music that you have on your device will automatically be listed here. Now, if you would like to stream music from a different platform, what you want to have to do is to download them first and then add it into your file manager so it will be visible here. And that's how you add music to Lotus Lantern app.